In this quick Apollo.io guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up drip campaigns on Apollo.io. If you're new to the software and want to understand how to automate your outreach effectively, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your drip campaigns running. Apollo.io is an incredibly powerful tool for automating your sales outreach, and setting up drip campaigns is one of its most useful features. But first, let me tell you, you can try Apollo.io for free with our exclusive bonus linked below, so make sure to grab that extended trial and get started today. Let's dive in. When you log into Apollo.io, you'll land on the dashboard. To set up a drip campaign, head over to the Sequences tab in the left-hand menu. This is where all your campaigns will live. Once you're here, you'll see an option to create a new sequence. Click that button to start building your campaign. The first thing you'll need to do is give your sequence a name. Keep it simple but descriptive. Something like new client outreach or follow-up campaign, so it's easy to identify later. Now let's move on to the core of your drip campaign, the emails. Apollo.io lets you add multiple steps to your sequence. Each step can include an email, a task, or even a call. For example, in step 1, you might want to send an introductory email. In the next step, maybe a follow-up, and in step 3, a reminder or a nudge. You can adjust the timing between each step, whether you want it to be a few days or a week apart. To add emails, simply click the Add Step button and choose Email. Write your message directly in the editor. You can personalize the email by inserting dynamic fields like the recipient's name or company name to make it feel more personal. This is a key feature, as personalization can significantly increase your response rates. Once you've written the email, set up the timing. Apollo.io gives you the flexibility to choose how many days after the previous email it should send. If you want to send your follow-up after 2 days, for example, set the interval to 2 days. You can also select the best time to send it based on when your audience is most active. Now, let's talk about tasks. If you want to make sure your drip campaign includes follow-up calls or LinkedIn messages, you can add tasks as steps. For example, after your first email, you can add a task to remind yourself to give the person a call. Tasks are a great way to keep your outreach multi-channel and increase your chances of engaging prospects. Once your sequence is built, Apollo.io gives you the option to test it. Testing your drip campaign ensures that everything flows smoothly before you send it to your prospects. You can test the emails, timing, and tasks to make sure the sequence is running exactly how you want it to. Next, you'll need to upload your contacts. You can either manually add contacts or import them from a CSV file or from Apollo.io's built-in database, which already has millions of contacts available. Make sure your contacts are segmented properly. If you're running multiple campaigns, you don't want to mix your contacts from different groups. Apollo.io allows for advanced segmentation, so you can ensure you're targeting the right people. After importing your contacts, you can assign them to the sequence you just created. Apollo.io will automatically start sending the emails and tasks based on the timing you set in your drip campaign. It's that easy. Finally, let's talk about analytics. Once your drip campaign is running, you'll want to track its performance. Apollo.io offers detailed analytics to show you open rates, click-through rates, and response rates. Use this data to optimize your campaigns, making sure you're always improving. And remember, if you haven't already, be sure to grab our exclusive free trial of Apollo.io by clicking the link below. With this bonus, you can test the software and see how it helps you scale your outreach in no time. So that's a quick overview of how to set up drip campaigns on Apollo.io. It's an incredibly powerful tool, and once you set up your sequences, you'll be able to automate much of your outreach and focus on the parts of your workflow that really matter. Be sure to check out the free trial below to start using Apollo.io today. Thanks for watching.